After a gap of 864 days, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has finally visited Manipur. Yes, the same Manipur, which suffered deadly ethnic violence for many months, starting May 2023 under the BJP's rule. Even today, sporadic violence continues to mar the state, even as President's rule has been in place since February this year. Modi arrived in Manipur with heightened security to meet the displaced at a Churachandpur camp and to lay the foundation of multiple developmental projects. The opposition was quick to highlight Modi's absence from the state when it needed its Prime Minister the most.
I am glad that he has decided after 2 years that it's worth him visiting. He should have visited much long before. And it's very unfortunate that he has allowed what is happening there to happen for so long and so many people to get killed and so many people to go through so much strife before he has decided to visit. That's not been the tradition of Prime Ministers in India.
प्रधानमंत्री जी गए हैं तो बहुत देर की है और मुझको लगता है कि मणिपुर का मामला जल्द से जल्द जो है शांत होना चाहिए. काफी लंबा जो है चल गया. अब देखते हैं प्रधानमंत्री जी वहाँ तो गए हैं लेकिन असम में भी जो है कई लोग जो है आंदोलन कर रहे हैं. आपको लगता है मणिपुर गए तो असम भी हो लेना चाहिए.
Mallikarjun Kharge, the leader of the opposition in the Rajya Sabha, blasted Prime Minister Modi for what he called a 3-hour pit stop in Manipur. Kharge highlighted that Modi's visit to Manipur after 864 days of violence, 300 deaths, and the displacement of several thousand was a shameful act. Congress workers staged a protest against PM Modi's visit to Manipur, but the police swiftly moved in. From Prime Minister Modi's drive to Churachandpur and back to Imphal and his visit to a refugee camp, everything went smoothly for a state that continues to witness sporadic violence. Did Prime Minister Modi overlook Manipur for 2 years? Prime Minister Modi avoided campaigning in Manipur during 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Modi spoke about Manipur for the first time only on July 20, 2023. That was 2.5 months after the violence broke out in early May. It took Prime Minister Modi another month to speak on Manipur in Parliament in August 2023. Ahead of Lok Sabha elections, Prime Minister Modi claims timely intervention in Manipur handled the situation in the state. In July 2024, Prime Minister Modi mentions Manipur for the first time in Rajya Sabha. The President's rule was imposed in Manipur in February 2025, which has been extended till February 2026. Even during his speech on Saturday, Modi did not mention when President's rule will be lifted and when elections take place. All they got from Prime Minister Modi was a promise for the development of a peaceful Manipur.
मणिपुर में जिंदगी को फिर से पटरी पर लाने के लिए भारत सरकार हर संभव प्रयास कर रही है. हम मणिपुर को पीस, प्रॉस्पेरिटी और प्रोग्रेस का प्रतीक बनाने का लक्ष्य लेकर चल रहे हैं. मैं आपको विश्वास दिलाता हूं, मणिपुर के विकास के लिए विस्थापितों को जल्द से जल्द उचित स्थान पर बसाने के लिए, शांति की स्थापना के लिए भारत सरकार यहां मणिपुर सरकार का ऐसे ही सहयोग करती रहेगी.
Has Modi's visit to Manipur come too late? What about delivering justice to the ones who lost their lives to violence in 2023? Is it time to lift the President's rule? And the biggest question is whether Manipur is still the biggest security challenge for the central government. Was Prime Minister Modi's visit only a photo op? Will the visit heal the wounds of the victims, or has Modi only opened their wounds? Only time will tell.